Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen today. Today we're gonna cook curry rice and salmon. So if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe to my YouTube video deposit, please do. Please hit that big red button and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. So please subscribe and please share and like and please subscribe again. So guys, this is what we're gonna use today for the curry rice. We have 4 cloves of chopped garlic right here and 2 stalks of spring onion. We have 1 large white chopped onion. We have some frozen vegetable where we take out the fridge to defrost, and we have some bell pepper here. We have half of red, half of green, and half of yellow. And we have 3 cups of white rice we're going to use for the curry rice. And there we have some curry with some all-purpose season, a little bit of black pepper. So curry rice and salmon today on the menu. We have right over here we have 2 pieces of salmon. Already scale them already. Alright guys, we just put in some oil in the pot. So right now we're going to put in 1 white chopped onion. So put a 1 white chopped onion in it. Let's give that one a good stir. So curry rice with salmon today we're going to cook. So we'll put in 1 white chopped onion already. Make that brown up for a bit. And we're going to put 4 cloves of chopped garlic. So guys, I've been burning off that garlic and that white chopped onion. So now we're going to put in half a tablespoon of curry and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season and a little drop of black pepper. Just a little touch of black pepper I'm using today. I don't want to use too much black pepper because black pepper is very strong. So I'm going to brown out my curry. So half a tablespoon of curry, half a teaspoon of all-purpose season, a little touch of black pepper. So curry rice on the menu today with salmon. We're gonna cook. So we're just gonna add in the frozen vegetable. Give it a stir. So guys, I just put in some frozen vegetable and a bit brown up. So half of red bell pepper, half a yellow bell pepper, half a green bell pepper. So I'm just gonna put that in. Give it a nice little stir there. A beautiful color we have there. So please subscribe, please hit that notification bell, and please share and like, guys. Oh, you want to smell this? This smells so delicious already. 2 stalks of spring onion that is picked from my garden outside. Give that all a stir. Guys, just right out of home, I'm gonna cook curry rice. So we have 3 cups of white rice. We're gonna put in the pot. So we have 3 cups of white rice. Spread that right out. So you wanna get every grain out of that. So 3 cups of white rice with 3.5 cups of water. Everything out of that. Stir. So I'm just gonna have some water in it, around 3.5 cups of water. Remember, you don't want to put in too much water when you're cooking rice because you don't want the rice to become saggy and you don't want to turn up the fire too high. So I just have less than half a teaspoon of salt in it. So now I'm gonna add a little piece of butter. Get that out there. I have some dry thyme. I just buy the thyme from the shop, so I don't use everything one time. So I put the thyme in the bag. So that's what dry thyme do. Dry thyme gives you the same flavor and the same taste like the fresh thyme. So if you buy a bunch of thyme like that, you don't want to throw it away, you just keep it. Put it in a brown plastic bag. Don't put it in a white clear plastic bag because it's gonna rotten. So put it in a brown bag. So I have some dry thymes right here. I'm just gonna add in the dry thymes. Give it a stir. So curry rice with salmon on the menu today. Just put on the lid on that, give it around 10 minutes. Hi guys, so my rice is on the fire for the last 5 minutes. So I turn on the fire very low underneath it, let it steam. So I have 4 pieces of salmon. It was 2 chunks and I cut it in 4. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose seasoning on it. Just slight, I don't want to put in too much. Just a little bit of all-purpose season there. I don't want to put in too much season because the salmon a little bit salty already. And then I'm gonna add a little drop of black pepper on it. That's all I'm gonna put. A little bit of drop of black pepper. Just rub that all up. So I put the fire and the pot already, let it warm, let it hot. So I'm using olive oil. And you don't want to overcook salmon because salmon is very easy to cook. You just want to fry it crispy. You don't want to take it out too quick so it will break. So guys, I just been burning off my salmon. So I don't want to burn them too much. Just give it a like a crispy brown. So I'm gonna use 1 white chopped onion, 4 cloves of garlic to make the sauce for the salmon. I have my curry rice over there is coming down nicely. So I just turn on the fire very low underneath it, let it steam. I don't want to turn up the fire too high because I don't want it to burn. So now I'm just going to put in 1 white chopped onion and 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Just going to start there. Then I'm gonna add back my salmon. So just putting back my salmon in it. I'm just gonna add half of lemon. So half of lemon I put in it, guys. Then I'm gonna put in half a teaspoon of oyster sauce. So that's half a teaspoon of oyster sauce with half of lemon, 1 white chopped onion, 4 cloves of garlic, chopped garlic. So you just want to get the sauce out and throw over the salmon like that. But you don't want to overcook the salmon. You don't want it to to break up. You don't want to put too many seasoning in the salmon. Salmon is very easy to cook. So just get a tablespoon, take the sauce like that and just throw it right over it. So I didn't put in no spring onion, I didn't put in no bell pepper, didn't put in no ginger, I didn't put in no thyme. See there guys, this is all finished. So guys, this is my salmon, that is finished salmon. There's 4 big chunks of salmon there with 1 white chopped onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, a little piece of butter, a little all-purpose, a little bit of black pepper, a little piece of butter again I put in it. And then I have my curry rice. Look at that guys, this is beautiful. So if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please hit that red button guys, because it's free to subscribe, no charge, and join the family guys. I have a lot more recipe coming out. And please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. Guys, this is my curry rice with salmon. It's all finished now. So please hit that notification bell and please subscribe to my YouTube page and please share and like the video. Please make a comment. You guys want to see me in a little video like this. So this is my curry rice and my salmon guys. Look at this curry rice. Look how beautiful is that. So that's my curry rice, my salmon. Guys, this is my curry rice and salmon. Delicious guys, I'm telling you. Some tomato planted in my garden. Beautiful people. A piece of that salmon. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so when I post the next video you guys will get it. And share the video around. So if you guys don't try curry rice as yet, please do. It's beautiful people. Try a piece of that salmon again. And that. To subscribe is free, you don't have to pay. So please hit that big red button and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. Okay? And stay safe on the gravel.